Hey there, Alex Kidman here with my super quick Pixel 8 Pro and Pixel 8 unboxing and first impressions. And here they are, they've literally just landed on my reviews desk. I should point out, actually, this isn't exactly my first impressions. I did a briefing with Google about a week ago, so I've had some hands-on time with these. I might throw some of that footage in here, actually. And if you've watched any of my unboxings before, you know what's about to happen. Pure, unbridled chaos. Okay. Maybe not chaos, but I very much do take these things as I find them. Let's start with the smaller lad, the Pixel 8. Nice enough looking phone from the hands-on time that I had. And we have, well, very Apple-esque looking tags here. But that's not a bad thing. I like cases that are actually reasonably easy to open. This is the 128 gig model. And it very much looks as every other leak and render and so on has suggested it would do. Camera bar there, still dual lens. It is nice to hold in the hand, and I mean, one of the big differences this year, of course, is that all of the pixels are flat. That is actually quite a good detail for a lot of people I know. I'm not someone, I've got to say, I'm not someone who's super fussed about phones being flat or curved. Doesn't really stress me at all, but I know a lot of people don't like that kind of curved thing. They don't like the look, or they don't like the feel of the slip or whatever. And aside from that, of course, in the box, we have a standard USB-C to USB-C cable, no charger. That's very much the style of the time. Quick transfer dongle there, some Google paperwork, and that's your lot. Google did also send me some cases to go with these, so I'll do these as I do the phones, although not seeing an obvious way into this one. I did say this was going to be very much ad hoc, and as I found it, I guess I've sort of got to push my way in here. So thrilling. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm a big, did you get the idea, big fan of putting cases onto phones. I just don't get why you wouldn't protect your phone. And in this case, that sort of matches. I guess that's a little plainer if you don't like that kind of thing. But it is adding grip, it is adding support, and above all, it's adding protection. Welcome to your Pixel. I will get to setting those up directly. So that's the 8. And then let's bounce all of its bits and pieces to the side and have a look at the 8 Pro. Now, this, of course, is an interesting phone here in Australia because it's one of only a handful of phones to support millimetre wave 5G. And you want to know what else is in that hand? They're all Pixel phones. They're the only ones who've bothered. Really bugs me that we only get millimetre wave through Google here, no one else. But that's up to everyone else to pick up. This is the blue colour, and I'm a sucker for blue phones. I really am. As I noted before, we are in Flat Phone City. I'll have to set this one up as well. Only a few design changes, and that flatness is one of them. I do like the colour. I do like the feel at the back of that. As I said, I'm a phone cases guy. This will be getting a case on when I test it. But I've got to be honest, the feel of that really is nice. It does feel nice and premium. And I mean, it's actually very much a same kind of story here. Same kind of cable. In fact, I'm sure it's the same cable, same adapter, and that's very much your lot for these. As I said, I've had a little bit of hands-on time, just while I get the case out for this one. I've had a little bit of hands-on time, grunt, groan, strain, etc. Oh, the agony, oh, the difficulty with these phones. And I wasn't able to test a whole bunch of extra features, some of the fancy camera stuff it can do. But look, they seem reasonable. Obviously, I will have to also benchmark and set up. Actually, you know what? I don't mind that case either. That feels pretty good. And I like, as I said, having a protected phone. I think at the cost of these devices, that's well worth doing. Now, I do have to get to testing these. I can't do a full review of these ahead of launch, even though I've got them slightly ahead of launch. So stay tuned for that one. If there's anything you'd like to know about the new Pixels, anything you'd like me to test, please throw it in the comments. Thanks for watching through this unboxing, and don't forget to tap that like and subscribe button. It's what your parents would want you to do.